Good evening, students. Today we are checking Standard 8th NCERT Goa Board paper, science paper. So this paper was not difficult, but we'll check. I've checked other students' paper and kept this paper to check for me to make YouTube video. So here all questions are compulsory. Only answers are required to be written for all questions. This question papers consists 16 question MCQ type questions and 10 subjective. So total 26 questions are there. Diagrams are to be drawn in pencil only. Strict warning, because I have checked some papers. In that papers, a student have drawn the diagram in pen, and that is black pen. You should not never use black pen on your paper answer sheet. Figures are to the right indicate marks. So choose and write the most correct alternative from those provided in below each statement. 1 mark each. 1 into 16 means 1 mark each, 16. So iron used in the construction of bridges is protected from rusting by electroplating it with zinc. Yes. Then internal fertilization occurs in female body. Yes. The burning of phosphorus in the air is an example of rapid combustion. Here is written, but it's spontaneous combustion, so we'll mark it wrong. Next. Adam's apple is an enlarged larynx. Very good. A charged balloon is brought near another charged balloon. What will happen? They repel each other. Very good. Nice. A charged glass rod is brought near a charged plastic straw. What will happen? It is none of the above is the wrong answer, because the answer is they will repel each other. An earthquake occurs mainly due to sudden movement of tectonic. Yes, it's the correct answer. Why is lightning rod installed only at the top of building? Question. To safely conduct electric charge to the ground. Yes, it's correct. When an earthquake strikes, while you are inside a classroom, which of the following sets of actions represents the most appropriate safety measures? So what this fellow have written here? Take cover under study table, protect your... You should not do this. This is your exam paper. If the student is watching this video, you should not do this. Here marks are deducted. I have done minus half year. So you should know your mistakes. This is the exam paper, not joke. Which of the following combinations include 4 important precautions that should be followed during an earthquake? Hide in bathroom, use elevators, etc. is not there. And this is not the correct answer also, so we are not getting marks. Oh, where is 11th question? Oh, he have written 12th, so he have missed this question. So, which of the following correctly states the difference between oviporous and viviporous? Oviporous, this is the correct answer. Oviporous lay eggs. Oh, yes, viviporous animals give birth to young ones. So, process in which a beautiful moth emerges from a cocoon is metamorphosis. Yes, metamorphosis. Asexual reproduction in amoeba is called binary fission because the amoeba divides into two identical cells. Very good. 15th one. Which of the following correctly states the difference between menarche and menopause? None of the above. No. It's this C option. So, incorrect. The sex of a child is determined by the genetic combination contributed the father. Here confusion is that both parents equally. No, father. So it's correct. Keep the electrical board up. So now 16 questions are done. Now we are starting with answer the following questions, which contains 2 marks each. So 6 questions are there. 2 into 6, 12. Total 12 questions. This section B. First question is write any 2 safety measures parents must take to avoid little children from getting an electrical shock at home. Question number 17. Keep the electrical board upon wall. Upon wall. I can give half mark for this because this is grammatically incorrect. Minus half. Please pass me. What is a kaleidoscope and why it is used? Question number 18. Oh, this is question number 18. Question number 19. Differentiate between cone cells and rod cells. Cone cells are attracted to the night light or dim light. Retina cells are attracted to bright light. Good. But you can write 2 points here. Then there is diagram. Reflection is associated with the vision of a person. What causes diffused or irregular reflection from the surface? You know what you have done? Drawn the tears. Half only marks I am giving him because out of 2 marks. Then list out any 2 ways you can take care of your eyes. Don't rub your eyes simply. If prescribed, use spectacles. Create 2 slogans for your school to make students aware of harmful effects of taking drugs. Because save your life, do not eat drugs. Because of the harmful gas produced by water, substance catches fire on heating. A paper cup containing water will not catch fire. Justifies the statement. You should never leave this paper like this. Second question. It is not advisable to sleep in a closed room where coal is being burnt. Why? Because of the harmful gas produced by it. Question 23. Draw a neat diagram of female reproductive organ. So, this drawings. Okay, so oviduct and mark oviduct and uterus. So, come here. Difference between zygote and fetus. When both male and female gametes fuse, a cell is formed called zygote. When we can identify the parts of the individual. Now, here what this fellow has done is written his own answers. You should not write your own answers because they can be wrong also. But I will give him marks because it's his hard work. Observe the diagram and answer the following questions. What would happen to glowing bulb if one end of the wire would be connected to the handle of the screwdriver? Means here. If this wire was connected here, what will happen? Yes, the bulb will not glow. How does an electric bulb glows? By hitting the effect of electric current. Good. Distilled water cannot conduct electricity, but tap water can. Why? Because distilled water does not consist salt. And why this tap water not written? So minus half mark only here. Next question. This diagram, observe the diagram and answer the following questions. What will happen if the gland A marked as A does not function well, which is pituitary gland, which is thyroid gland? If it does not function well, what will happen? Then B. Question number B. Name the gland marked as B and what does it produce? Thyroid thyroxine. Gland mark is adrenal gland. So this is wrong. Then name the male hormone, female hormone. Male hormone testosterone, female hormone estrogen. So this student is getting here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this child is getting 26 marks out of 40. 6 marks out of 40. 40 plus 10 of practicals. Uh, okay, so thank you and have a nice day ahead.